Leute! Hi guys! Welcome back to your new lesson. Willkommen zurück zu einer neuen Unterrichtseinheit. Ich heiße Steffi. My name is Steffi. And this is lesson 19 of the free German course for beginners. In this lesson you will learn all about the German question words. These are very useful, especially if you want to ask questions in German. Download the PDF in the description below to get the summary of today's lesson. And let's start. The question word in German is das Fragewort. Let's go through them together step by step. The first question word is was. It means what in German. Here are some examples. Was ist das? Was ist das? It means what is this? What is it? Or was hast du gesagt? What did you say? Was hast du gesagt? Was ist los? Was ist los? What is happening? Or a very important question is, was bedeutet das? Was bedeutet das? What does this mean? You can also ask, was bedeutet, and then you can add any word basically. What does mean? So for example, was bedeutet Aufgabe? What does task mean in German? You can fill the gap with any word, really anything. Another question word you can use in German is wie. Wie. It means how in German. Zum Beispiel. For example, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? How are you? You might also hear wie geht's dir? They like to merge the words. Wie geht es dir? Or wie geht's? Wie geht's dir? Wie sagt man auf Deutsch? How do you say in German? Again, you can put any word here that you would like to know. Another good question is, wie viel kostet das? Wie viel kostet das? How much does it cost? And good to know, we don't always use the same question word in German like in English. So for example, in German we would ask, wie spät ist es? Wie spät ist es? In English we would use the word what. What time is it? And not how time is it? Das nächste Fragewort lautet wo. The next question word is wo. It means where in German. Zum Beispiel, for example, wo bist du? Wo bist du? Where are you? Wo ist die Tasche? Wo ist die Tasche? Where is the bag? Wo ist die Party? Wo ist die Party? Where is the party? Oder zum Beispiel, or for example, wo wohnst du? Where do you live? Wo wohnst du? If we want to ask about a direction or where we are coming from, we can ask wohin or woher. Wohin, woher. Woher is used if we are coming from a place. Zum Beispiel, for example, woher kommst du? Where are you coming from? Woher kommst du? Or, woher kommt diese Idee? Where is this idea coming from? Woher kommt diese Idee? If you want to ask where to in German, then you need to use the question word wohin. Wohin. Zum Beispiel, for example, wohin gehst du? Wohin gehst du? Where are you going to? Where are you going? Where are you going to? Wohin fährst du als nächstes? Wohin fährst du als nächstes? Where are you going to next? A very useful question for friends that like to travel a lot. By the way, in slang, people like to split the words. So they would say, wo gehst du hin instead of wohin gehst du. The next German question word is wer. Wer. And it means who. I know this might be a bit confusing. I definitely struggled with it when I started to learn English in school. Wo means where and wer means who. My tip for you is to write down as many sentences as you can. And then I will promise you it's not that difficult anymore. I also have a little homework prepared for you at the end of the video. So stay with me, guys. Let's look at some example sentences for wer. Wer bist du? Wer bist du? Who are you? Und wer ist das? Who is this? Wer ist das? Who is this? Another question is, wer kommt zur Party? Who is coming to the party? Wer kommt zur Party? You could also ask, wer hat dich angerufen? Wer hat dich angerufen? Who called you? The next question word is very useful, especially if you plan something, if you have to schedule a meeting or an appointment or something like that. The word is wann. Wann means when in German. Zum Beispiel, for example, wann treffen wir uns? Wann treffen wir uns? When do we meet? When do we meet? Or for example, wann ist dein Termin? Wann ist dein Termin? When is your appointment? Also very interesting, wann hast du Geburtstag? Wann hast du Geburtstag? When is your birthday? Oder zum Beispiel, if you're at a party and you want to know from your partner when you can go home, you would ask, wann gehen wir nach Hause? Wann gehen wir nach Hause? Or you could ask, wann gehen wir endlich nach Hause? When do we finally go home? Okay, another useful question word. And the last one for today is warum. Warum means why in German. Examples are Beispiele. Warum fragst du? Warum fragst du? Why do you ask? Warum bist du zu spät? Ich warte schon so lange. Warum bist du zu spät? Why are you too late? I'm waiting for so long. Why are you so late? Or, very interesting, if you are applying for a job, you might hear the question, warum bewerben Sie sich bei uns? Warum bewerben Sie sich bei uns? Why do you apply here? Why are you interested in this job? Hausaufgabe! Homework! The best part of the video. Like usual, I have prepared 3 sentences for you. 3 Sätze. And 1 word is missing. Write your answers in the comments below. If you are not sure about the answer, just check the PDF in the description below. You can download it for free. Nummer 1. Möchten Sie bestellen? Möchten Sie bestellen? What do you want to order? So we need the German word for what. What do you want to order? Möchten Sie bestellen? Nummer 2. Findest du meinen neuen Pullover? Findest du meinen neuen Pullover? How do you find my new sweater? How do you find my new sweater? And the last one, der letzte Satz. Nummer 3, number 3. Fragst du? Why do you ask? Fragst du? What question word is missing? Write your answers in the comments, and this was already today's lesson. Also, bis zum nächsten Mal. Until next time. Macht's gut, Leute. Take care. Tschüss. Lerne Deutsch, Deutsch, Deutsch. Lerne Deutsch, Deutsch, Deutsch. Lerne Deutsch.